Hello, good evening. And one regarding the nutrition part, the cooking and the health, I have correlated a topic cooking and also the nutrition part. In that, today only 5 minutes I can speak about this with. The most important point I want to take out of this is sabja seeds are basil seeds we get on online. These are rich with omega 3 fatty acids. Omega 3 fatty acids are very important for cell structure, cell function, and for cell vitality. See, here it is very important. The whole system of the body is made up of cells. To maintain cell structure, cell function, and cell vitality, we definitely need omega 3 fatty acids. And these omega 3 fatty acids can never be prepared by the body. We need to send them from outside towards inside. That is very important point. Hope you understood this one particular point. Omega 3 fatty acids can never be prepared by the body itself. They can be sent from outside through your nutrition or food only. So we are correlating the subject with the cooking and also food. Okay, and these omega 3 fatty acids, they keep your heart very healthy. That is very important. Okay, and in many other benefits are there. Along with that, we have peculiarly some important points. Okay, and this is mainly the immunity booster. In the present situations, we definitely need a strong immunity, a disease fighting capacity against the free radicals and also the toxins and the virus which always try to destroy the T cells. So we strongly need immunity boosters. This is one among that one is basil seeds, and these are very cheaper. Even a common man can get it online. Now everything is available. So it is even with the minimal cost. Okay, it is high in calcium. It is gluten free, and it is helpful for good digestion, and it keeps your skin healthy, it supports the bone health, and it is very good for your hair and skin. Okay, it helps for weight loss, and it regulates the acidity, that is it reduces the acidity. And I'm just checking what are the important points are there. I'm trying to upload this one. See, the first thing what I want to tell you is omega 3 fatty acids are very important to the body, which the body cannot prepare it. We need to send from outside body through food into the body. See, we can get only through our nutrition. These omega 3 fatty acids are very important for your heart health also. So kindly understand, this is very cheaply available and very easily available and gluten free. One important thing is this is gluten free. So first point, omega 3 fatty acids for cell structure, cell function, and cell vitality. Second point, this is immunity boosters and rich in uh, good in calcium to keep your bones also very healthy, and very good for your hair and also skin. Those who want to maintain good hair and also skin, these basil seeds or sabja seeds are very important. See here, chia seeds are different, basil seeds are different, and they have little variation. They appear to be same, but they have little variation. And those who want to lose their weight without any nutrient loss, I think these are the best ones because there is gluten free and also there is benefits with this. They have high fiber, no? They try to mobilize the fat. That is very important. See, those who want to reduce your weight, always keep in mind one thing: don't ever lose your nutrition. Don't ever lose your nutrients when you want to reduce your weight. Losing weight is not criteria. To keep yourself healthy is also very important. Along with your gradual losing the weight. And before you start your weight losing program, you need to understand what is the exact causative factor for your weight gain, because nowadays there is a lot of sedentary life, stressful life, PCOD problem, thyroid problem, hormonal imbalance, and excessive carbohydrate consumption. What is the exact causative factor for your weight gain? Go through your dietitians, go through your physicians, and find out which is good for your fat reduction program. I firmly tell you, because I myself a registered medical practitioner, I can tell you only one thing. Kindly don't lose your immunity nor your nutrition to reduce your weight. Okay, that is very, very important, and I have covered all the points here, I think so. And what else I can tell you? Good for digestion, everything. That is all regular process only we are checking. Likewise, today I have completed the medical part also, which is simple topic I have taken, but very effective topic because this is very beneficial. I definitely know that you people will really utilize this one. Take little quantity of sabja seeds and don't ever get misguided with any other symptoms. If you have after taking this, kindly go through your dietitian and physician is a causative factor, causative tip. That's all. It doesn't mean that we don't have medical knowledge. I myself is a registered medical practitioner, but some people are ignorant, some people are illiterate, so we cannot change their mindset. Suddenly they get deviated that if I say something that symptoms may vary, suddenly they think only because of this. To have a caution tip, we are saying go to a dietitian and physician. However, in YouTube they will give a caution tip. Is it for kids or not? They maintain that one. No? Same to prevent certain lawful problems. We are using that particular word. Thank you so much for your love and support. This is your Avakaya Pappu Neyyi channel is going hike with all your love and support. And what else? What else? Hello, hello. Good evening. Good evening. Hope you're all doing well. And thank you so much for your love and support. You people are accepting your music. You people are, because music itself heals the mind. And you people are accepting the spiritual content. You people are enjoying the different food recipes. And everything is fine and well. I want you people to be healthy this monsoon, because monsoon is good for cooling, keeping the earth cool, keeping providing good water to the plants, and also good water to prevent the water problem. Everything is okay, but unfortunately the bad luck is the viral multiplication will be more and more during this season. So we need to be very cautious. Kindly go through your hand washing techniques. Kindly go to keep your throat very clean, and kindly be very far to your cough, cold, and throat infections. Kindly go through the herbal tea morning I have uploaded in the video. It may be very simple for you, but it is very effective because I have used the awesome the tulasi. Tulasi is not from now, it is prevailing. It is in our Vedic sciences that, however, it protects your oral cavity, throat infections, your lung related problems. The mint and combination of tulasi and ginger is always effective, that everybody know, but we need to implement and follow once again. And basil seeds are one more important thing with the basil seeds is it reduces blood glucose level also. That is also one important thing. So these are simple tips but very effective tips. Hope you have understood this one particular point. Okay, and one more thing is keeping your oral cavity is very important. Morning also I said the same thing. Kindly go through the salt water gargling. Salt water gargling is very, very, very effective to destroy many sorts of bacteria. Kindly understand this one particular point, because you think sodium is simple but very effective to remove certain bacteria definitely. And keep yourself very clean and go for homemade nebulization. That is, just make your keep your warm water, add little turmeric and add little Vicks vapor rubber lightly, very lightly, for just few seconds. You can have your homemade natural nebulization also for this monsoon, I am saying. But those who have some medical problems, those who have certain health issues, kindly depend on your doctors nearby and physicians, because as a caution tip I am saying this is natural. What is there in turmeric? Turmeric has curcumin longa is present, curcumin, and the warm water, it will just open up the bronchioles and bronchi and keeps your air passages very clean. That is nothing wrong, but sometimes some people will have certain imbalances, no, even with the simple things. So to guide them, I'm saying that particular word. And homemade nebulization, natural processes, keeping your water warm and adding little Vicks vapor rub and adding little turmeric is very good that we can do. But there are two reasons for that, because sometimes some people say the virus enters through the passage, some people say the bronchioles will get naturally gets opened there. That's why you depend on your pulmonologist, go to your dietitian, physician, pulmonologist, and go through your advice. But I firmly believe this is very effective, because see, with the vaporization, natural vaporization for few seconds, the air passages gets cleansed, because we are ultimately adding turmeric there. We are ultimately adding little Vicks vapor and keeping your face there with the covered cotton cloth, which is simple nebulization, homemade. For few seconds we can do. I feel so, but go through your pulmonologist. Pulmonologist is a caution tip, okay? Because to prevent certain lawful problems unwantedly created by the people, because nowadays everything in the Google and YouTube, always the controversial thoughts are going. If somebody says that basil seeds are good, somebody oppositely says basil seeds are again wrong. And so whom we need to follow, whom we need to depend, because everybody's constitution is different, everybody's physical appearance is different, everybody's metabolism is different. So we cannot compare one person with another person. The constitution is always varying. So you need to search your faithful doctor and go through the guidelines. And ultimately remember one particular thing, friends, because these are kitchen natural herbs, there are no side effects at all, because they are guided to have them. But very rarely, out of some lakhs like that, they will have little irritation, some side effects. Definitely, that also we need to accept. That is the reason I'm saying you, we cannot guide the people just online. Online Google can just guide you to go from which place to which place, but it doesn't help you in the clinicals, because you definitely need a registered medical practitioner nearby, because symptoms will be prevailing. See, for 1 lakh people it may not be troublesome, but out of 1 lakh it may be troubling one person. But how can we misguide them? So go to your valuable physician nearby, so that he can handle you in a best way in the clinical method. Hope you understood this one particular point. See, there will be some itch factors for some people. Like 98% people will be good with chia seeds, everything. 1 2% it may be suffering. But how can that person can ask me a question when he is having that problem? So go to your physician and dietitian, take their valuable advice, and if for your health condition, for your health issues, can you take these basil seeds? You can ask them, because if something is going wrong, they can be near to you to handle your situations. That is as a caution tip I'm saying, okay? And cooking, I'm correlating with the health. Thank you so much for your love and support. Today, this is our nutrition.